Awesome.
So
Search made simpler and faster for construction. So this is a search engine. Is it search engine? No. It says AI powered document search. All the contracts, guys. This is your zone, right?
yeah, let's see this video and understand what they can exactly do. Search within a project, search all files available.
This has a chat GPT like uh interface, which is nice. I like it already.
Okay, contract guys, this is up for you.
Yeah. Contracts and claims, guys. They'll be looking at it.
Yeah, your life is just became simpler. Cool. So this
This
can
has
search.
a little bit of perplexity also inside it, which I like. You saw all those related questions. So perplexity's UI has very similar front end, which is nice. Again,
Right. Let's
awesome. So
go and
let's
see.
let's scroll down. Problem is finding the right information within multiple documents is hard because it is. We understand.
Control F, no OCR. Oh, nice.
Can you go back? Can you go back? Is there multiple problem statement or is there a single problem statement that they've put?
Well, multiple problem statement. Email. So the problem statement is here. Control F,
Oh, okay.
email, integration, manual.
Okay. Okay.
So good. We can search within a construction document. Cool. I have a couple of questions immediately. Can it search through .dwg, .rbt file? Is it only for PDF and document and Excel?
Yeah. DWG, I think, is a stretch for now, at least in 2024.
Yeah.
Maybe 25, 26, they might. But then for now, yeah. So you can see all these Autodesk build, it's there, right? You can already see. You can sync with other platforms like Procore and Autodesk and all of that, which is nice. Ask anything. Fast and secure scanning.
Scanning. Okay. So
That's
what
easy.
all they are giving? Change order, bid document, drawing, specs, contracts, safety, scope, construction. Oh, wow. Cool. Size result, curative process. Cool. Knowledge management system. Nice.
So you don't have to. I like this. No more control F. No more control find. Just Sonar Labs can search through anything. Very simple, very powerful.
Yeah, there is a
They're not.
similar product I had seen. I had heard about it called Beehive. Uh, I'm not sure they have an open demo or something, but we'll do that in the last section of this video.
Do you have access to this? Do you have access to this software?
Yes, yes. It's a sign in.
Awesome.
They have written. Let's find answers. Let's find answers, man. First name.
See, I'll tell you. To start with, there are 3, 4 concerns. They've used AI a lot. So is 100% of the output accurate? And it's based on a document, and AI does not hallucinate, because if it's connected to GPT-4, then there is hallucination, right? AI can sometimes tell you things what it assumes. Concern of sort of, I'll be looking at that. Second thing is, of course, they say we are secure as a platform, but for review and continuously making sure that the platform improves, how is my data being used? Because I wouldn't be comfortable sharing my project documents and
Yeah.
agreements and things like that to someone within the industry, right? I just wouldn't be comfortable. So
Yes.
so all these questions primary, but let's see if we can find answers. Okay, Siddharth is signed up, which is great. Check your email, a verification email. Nice. They've
Okay.
added opening Gmail. There's a direct link. So if you just click on that, probably open Gmail.
No.
Nice.
So I will do this privately.
Yeah, you don't
And
want
I
all
will.
your investment contracts to be seen, all your bank statements and all. What if we see?
Can we? Okay, so this is where I verified. Right.
Okay, got it.
That's how. Okay, and then the same tab can have you create a project. Okay, hello Siddharth. Nice. Start your journey by creating a project. Demo project.
So let's take a real
Below.
project. Let's take okay,
Cool.
Bangalore. Okay, cool. Okay, Bangalore project. Let's do this. So far, very simple. I like the experience.
Okay, so my project is created. Now, what do I do? Should I
I think you have to go to
present
view
this?
project, files and folders.
And
So upload a bunch of files. We'll upload a bunch of files now. I can we'll just look at all the agreements and things like that. I think we should actually put in the agreement we had with Skillbind and Gig Factory. We'll try and see what are the possible litigation areas. Do you have a copy of that document?
I have, but I have another interesting use case. So at my
Okay,
startup,
go for it.
we have a sheet where we write all the specification of BIM, like how do you differentiate between LOD 200, 300, 350, and so on and so forth. So it's a detailed checklist, but we have sort of put it
Yeah,
that
that's a good case study because we'll know if Sonar Labs can actually differentiate and give us properly. So it
yeah.
says it's analyzing. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Let's give it some
And
time.
also, meanwhile, if you can find some drawings, if I can find some drawings in the next project, I would like to see can it extract information from a drawing, right? So let's go and create another project. Meanwhile, this is analyzing. Let this analyze drawings project.
Just say drawing project. Okay.
Cool. So project creation is sorry.
It's
Came back
already
to
ready for
Bangalore.
search. I'm excited.
Good, but let's upload a drawing as well.
So do you want to add
Mm,
a Revit file or something like that, or just a PDF kind of a drawing?
I think let's start with the PDF.
Drawing again, right?
There's a drawing again. Let's upload this. Meanwhile, uh, okay, drag and drop is also available here. So let me try a drag and drop.
Yeah, sections.pdf. No, it won't work
No.
like that.
Okay,
I think you
what
have to
I can
drag and
do,
drop it inside the thing.
prompt. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yes. Add to project. Pretty good. Well done, Sonar Labs. Well done.
And
Analyzing.
meanwhile, we can go to this. I cannot delete the project. No, I cannot delete. Okay. Bangalore project. I
See,
had
this is what
asked
I
them a
meant,
question.
right? You now are scared that one of your documents, which is very important, is with a third party, and you're not able to
Yeah.
delete it.
Yes. Yes. Thankfully, that is a very small portion of a large
Yeah.
chunk,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
still that fear is there. Let's ask them about this.
Okay. So this is Bangalore project is what? What was the document? I just forgot.
It is this. I'll show on screen so that we can find out relevant question to ask.
Yes.
Gig
Yes.
Factory
Yes.
LOD specification. Okay. So it's basically
Okay. Fair enough.
definition of what we deliver in inside BIM.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Okay. So
What is
what
this
is
document?
LOD 200? No.
Okay.
Let's ask.
Okay. I have patience. Patience. Let's wait. I like it where they've mentioned sources. It gives me a sense of confidence already. Like, okay, the source is the document. And LOD 200 elements are placed as per design specific size and location. This may be
Okay. It
recommended
gives me
confidence to represent. Okay.
as a source. It is giving me the exact same document which I have uploaded, which
Yeah,
will
yeah, yeah.
work very well if I have uploaded hundreds of documents. It's good.
Yes, absolutely. It's good.
What does the
Good.
MEA in the document? Okay. It's taking some time to process, but yeah, it's good.
I should be very sad if it says Ministry of External Affairs. No.
No, no, no. I'm sure this document doesn't have that. Bro, this product videos review are supposed to be serious thing.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
then, yeah, I mean, sometimes when you can't really help it, I think it's okay to have a little bit of fun because it's processing. I don't have that kind of patience. Okay, here we go. Still
No,
processing.
I'm asking another question now. Okay, so it took this data from here, which I asked. Okay. And
Yes,
now I
correct.
want to ask this data. Process support plumbing.
Okay.
Okay, let me
And
ask
it's still working on the previous answer. So
that's what I want to test.
I don't think it can collect multiple responses as of now.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes,
but ME
model
came up.
element. Model element
Okay,
authors. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. But
good.
it took quite a lot of time. But I mean, if it's giving me the exact name, I don't mind it, I guess. What is process support plumbing? Is there a definition of that, or is there only numbers? Okay, so you want,
Yeah, we want to check.
yeah,
Meanwhile, can
okay,
we go to the other project?
yeah.
Okay, and now we will have this. Okay, so the sections are ready for search. Search. Let's search within this
No, no,
project.
no. This is again your sections. Is this the project?
This is
Yes.
okay to be discussed.
Okay, okay, got it. So tell me, what is
Okay.
the biggest dimension? What is the biggest dimension in this particular project?
No. Let's ask what is the dimension of mezzanine floor.
Okay, good. Go for it. What is the dimension of mezzanine floor?
And I have one innet question. Does it also take care of my spell check errors?
I think you should install Grammarly.
No, no. I'm asking because this is gonna be not only used by mezzanine ka. There is no specification provided. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
No
really? Can
specific
you go
dimension.
back? Can you go back? No, it is provided.
No, it
Unfortunately,
is not
they didn't.
provided. No.
No, the height,
Ideally, ideally this is basically from grade 9 to grade 19, but nowhere the dimension is specifically written, right?
Okay,
Let's ask
okay.
what is the height.
Yeah.
Okay,
What's the total height?
23940
Yeah, what is the total height from ground level? But I
mm,
think we're just asking
from plinth level.
AI too much at this stage. I don't think it has the ability to sort of analyze drawings as of yet.
Then let us ask very simple question. What is
Yeah.
the height from ground level to roof level? It should give
Okay.
15,645 as answer. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Height
Yeah.
from ground level to roof level.
Level to roof level.
15,000 was something was the answer.
I don't think we'll be able to analyze, but I'll be shocked and pleasantly surprised if it comes up with any kind of number. Okay, roof level.
15,645.
That's
It's
pretty
damn
good. That's
accurate.
pretty good. It's
This is
pretty
dope.
good.
This
Already a
is
thumbs
dope.
up. I'm impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. Already a thumbs up.
Super app. Super app. I'm sure they will develop this, make it faster, and
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
in one word, I'm impressed too.
yeah. Let's do this. Let's
Let's
do this now. Now I want to ask some analytical question. Can you ask it to calculate area based on two dimensions that are there?
uh no, I think there is no second dimension. This is only section file that I've uploaded. Maybe if I would have
Okay.
uploaded a plan as well,
No, but
then
what
it
if
would
we say,
have.
can you assume the floor thickness is whatever 300 or 400 and based on that, can it give me a floor area something like that. I want to check its ability to analyze now.
Yeah. You directly want to go from 0 to 100, but I want to ask more
Yeah.
simpler question, which is how
Okay.
many columns are there, which are
Okay.
used
Go for
daily.
it. Go for it. How many columns are there in this file? Okay.
This is also analytical because somebody has to manually calculate. In terms of product, if you see
Agree.
uh,
Agree.
from OCR, you can simply find out where is
So there's no
the
information available for now.
yeah. What is the scale of section BB? Okay, they are suggesting you the questions as well, which is good, which I particularly liked it.
Suggesting questions, the answers they know too. So
Of course, of course. But that's also of value because sometimes
100%.
the section
See, 1 is
might
to
mention.
300. Scale is 1 is to 300. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
What is the thickness of proposed RCC slab? Yeah, this is value. I want to know what is
Mhm.
the thickness of a slab. 150 mm. Let's cross check. Thickness. Footing size. Let's ask footing size. Okay, so it did not give me a footing size, although the footing size was written here as 2600 by
I
2150.
think you should ask dimension, footing dimension. Maybe a different word would
Okay,
footing dimension. SION question mark.
I also want to put in a GCC or a SCC and ask him a lot of
Mhm.
questions. Of course, finding it out information from drawings is the most difficult thing, but they have, been able to crack at least some part of it. So footing
Mhm.
is not coming. Let's go back to the more simpler version, okay, which
Yeah.
was a Bangalore project.
Yes.
Or you
Not
want me to
Bangalore.
upload a okay, and you have a search history as well. Let's have a look. Oh,
No, nothing.
nothing.
Nothing yet.
Okay, and there is a history as well. Okay, this we asked. And there were 3+ search result as well. Oh, nice.
Good.
Oh, so they have this process plumbing support.
Can we try and merge 2 3 documents and ask the model to
Cross.
compare? Yeah.
I don't have document, where we can. Do you have a document ready, which we can upload?
Yeah. Let me quickly check.
See, in our industry, there's a big problem with, you know, the data
Yeah.
and its ownership and its confidentiality.
Yes.
What I was
Not
thinking
fam-
is I should specifications and
Okay. So I basically want to compare two of my programs if that's okay.
folder A. Okay, so you can create folder as well. Sachin, if
Huh.
you can see my screen, I simply created a folder, and inside that folder I can go and you
Add all
know
files. Yeah.
upload all the files. So it's a good folder management system as well. And then I can search within entirely different set of folders as well. So it's good. It's very, very good.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Okay. Now. Let me find out something which I can.
I've shared two files. That both of them are the detailed brochures as we spoke.
But
So you
you
can
can do
download
that using Chat GPT as well, right? You have something very specific to construction.
to construction. Let me go for.
Yeah.
Let's see if I
Okay, so
have
I
some.
found out a tender. See, this is a public document. I can now very well upload this. Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
And I want to do this. So section will close. Good marks for doing sections. Now
Yes.
I wish to upload this bid. Uh, so I can simply, let's say, I can rename it as bid 3. Okay, and then go inside this. Nice and cool. And then maybe I'll use the drag and drop only because I like this feature. This is
Uh-huh.
okay. And I think if there is bid 3, there will be bid 2 as well. Okay.
No.
No.
Bit two is there. Bit one, bit two, bit three.
Okay, you found? Okay, very, very nice. But I will have to again do this. Can I drag in multiple folders, bro? Oh, cool.
Analyzing it will take, I am sure, a significant amount of time given that
Okay.
it's a heavy
Now,
file.
now without seeing the files that what we have got, okay,
Yeah.
what would you ideally want to ask?
I would want to ask a summary of what this contract is about or what this bid is about, what this project.
Very good. Good question.
We should be able to get the
So one
summary
of
out
the
of it.
one of the use
Yeah.
cases that I can see is because in BD people have to do a lot of reading, just to extract information from hundreds of pages of document. If they can do
I want to
this,
know the summary. I want to know the proposed time. I want to know the proposed cost. And if it's a bid, I would also want to know who are the stakeholders.
yeah, sure. Please hold all your 4 questions. We'll ask them. But pretty dope in terms of finding information from drawing. The thing that we are doing currently is a very easy thing because it simply goes into a PDF, do an OCR, and come back. Getting information from AutoCAD extracted PDF is
Yeah,
the main game. What they have cracked. But of course,
absolutely.
shoot your first question, please.
So, can you summarize the project for me?
Tell me a joke.
Summary of the project.
Let me ask ChatGPT to help me out with a joke,
Tell me a
and then
construction joke, please. Tell me a construction joke. We should be asking specific questions. Tell me a
this guy came first. Okay. The project involved the phase-wise redevelopment of Shanti Colony in Mumbai and so on. The PMC 78 months. It already answered your question of timeline.
all the questions, right? So it's pretty good.
Bid
What's the
one
timeline?
mentioned 78 months.
78 months.
Okay, and bid one mentions that this is a PMC and HVAC and so on and so forth. Bid two mentioned that PMC will submit daily progress report. Okay, nice. What are the
What are the
phases?
timelines? What are the timelines? Of the bidding process. I want to know what the timelines of bidding process. Let's do this.
Cool. It has started giving answer. Oh, 4 phases. Phase one
Oh,
is demolition.
yeah. Let's
Construct
see.
3 new
Did,
building
did,
blocks.
did ChatGPT manage a joke already?
No, 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 no. I think I'm not logged in. I'm not sure why this GPT is not looking good. It wants to
Verifying is
verify.
correct. Can we ask Sonar after we are done? Let's see if we can come up with a construction joke.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Timelines of bidding process.
Okay, we have a joke, but we don't have the timeline. So let's continue with the joke. Why did the construction worker bring a ladder to the bar? Because he heard the drinks were on the house. And let me copy the
Ask
prompt.
ask it for a construction contracts joke. Let's see if we can come up with some contracts joke.
Because it knew it would have to draw the line somewhere.
It's pretty funny.
Pretty funny. So
You
this
have
guy
to
is
know, like,
taking some time. Yeah.
yeah, because I think these are two heavy documents.
Mhm.
But I think based on this, we will know its ability to compare different timelines and come up with one single source of summary or something like that.
Yeah.
Because that would make me very happy if it can just crystallize everything, all the dates, timelines. Let's see if it can come up with the timelines of bidding process first.
No, it can only take one prompt at a time.
One prompt at a time.
But this is pretty dope.
I think it's a motivational speaker who designed it, who says one thing at a time.
Okay, sorry, my bad. I did click somewhere which I was not supposed to.
So it went away.
Okay, so let me ask a construction joke now.
Okay.
Because it was not giving me the desired result. But
Yeah, I
but
don't think. I think it's currently going through the document and looking for a joke. I'd be happy if it comes up with something like that. That means that this Sonar AI means business because, I can then be very confident that, it can only bring a joke if,
the
see,
joke
we
is
couldn't
there.
find enough information. I'm happy. I'm happy. Good job, Sonar. Last question, summary of deadlines, summary of timeline. That's the last question for this particular review. Summary of timelines.
Let's see.
Yeah. Can we ask ChatGPT what is SonarLabs.ai?
Yeah, we
Ask
had this
AI.
section.
That's the segment.
Wait.
Okay, we already have an answer. Yes, no, maybe, no. Okay, the project has a total time period of 78 months. The PMC is responsible for dividing the project into tasks, established interdependencies. Okay. Okay, we are not sure. It's
But I
pretty
think
good.
I think this is a very good start. I am sure
Absolutely.
every product has their lacunas and they're always working on it. But to see this in the document, I was really amazed.
Yeah.
Uh, and they're coming up with an answer. As per contract, executed quantity, and so on. Let's get a review. Okay, fresh prompt.
Okay, what do you think about SonarLabs.ai? Is gaining traction as a provider of advanced trading tools focused on smart money concepts? No, absolutely not.
Wrong. I will. Bad response.
Yeah. Was there a
Not.
spelling when you SonarLabs.ai? No, no way.
No, it is right.
It's pretty
So
straightforward.
cool. So I
ChatGPT
think,
really needs to improve. I think
yeah,
they should take few cues from Sonar Labs and be a little more accurate.
be a little more accurate. Yes.
So
So
what's
yeah,
your review? Let's review this over three, four things. Your the user experience. You are the UI UX guy, so user experience, use cases. What do you think about use cases? And finally, what's your score rating? Let's do this.
okay. So UI and UX. First, I will talk about UI. It's a very simple, plain UI, vanilla, which it should be because it's how it's meant to be, right? Which I liked as well. Regarding the UX, it's very clean, simple. Again, the word is simple. Not a lot, adding not a lot of complexity because I'm coming here to remove complexities from my life, from my
Absolutely.
documents,
Yeah.
and that's a good thing. And
Mm-hmm.
That's regarding the UI and UX. From a use case perspective, what I loved, absolutely loved about it, can go into the this drawings and come up with answer. Right? Of course, they'll teach the model and everything, but I loved it. You can still find tools which can give you details inside the proper written document. So that's okay. They can also do that. A lot of people
Yeah.
can do that. Product wise, I would say because it's in the learning phase, I would still rate it very high at 7.5.
Uh-huh.
As they are in the good learning phase, they gave us some good answers, but they also didn't give us some answers regarding the foundation, which was pretty much right in front of us. So that's the review from my end. What about you?
Awesome. Awesome. I'm 100% with you when you said it's a very simple tool. I like the fact that you have a lot of folders, so you can work project wise, right? So you can add all your documents at once. So that's pretty amazing. The second thing I loved about the whole thing is the latency, right? There's no hurry burry. They don't want to like give you within 1 second, 2 seconds. Let it take its time, and you give it like about 30 seconds and you'll get a proper answer. And I never saw in a very brief time of whenever we look for answers, it never gave us hallucinated answers that were not factually correct. So that's very, very good. The only concern or challenge that I have is my data, because again, uh, you know, I could have a very tight NDA with a client of mine, and then that could leave me that with legal exposure. So that's something that I'm not really sure of. If there is a way where there's something called a dark mode or something where I can still use this, knowing that nobody in the back end is accessing my files, that would make me very happy. So that's one thing that they could work on, where they create a safe space, right? Where they say, no matter what, we're not going to touch your documents. And I think with 256 or 128-bit encryption, that's quite possible. So I hope they work on that. And what's the pricing? We never really looked at the pricing, but was there a pricing page on the website?
No, no, no. There was no pricing page.
Okay, so again, a lot depends on pricing, because if I'm using it for an enterprise, then then that
Yeah.
that aspect also matters. But overall, all in all, I really love the product. I can easily give it, close to 10, right? So it's easily about
Oh
nine
my
nine or
God.
10. Yeah, pretty good. It did the job for me. Happy.
Cool. So if you like this, review, please like, share, subscribe. Even if you don't do that, we'll still, make another video very soon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because we like the product and we like what people are building. So enjoy.
Yeah. Awesome. See you.